Yo. What's up? What's up? Hey. Stop. 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 What's up? What's up? Alright? Stop. Alright? 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 What up? 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 It. 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 What up? 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 Salty Reef, Dana Chili's. Woo! What up? ZX Thing of the Roses. Reef, Thing of the Chili's. Woo! Avery. What's going on, Jay Dunn? What's up? Malachi, thank you for the rose. Woo! Woo! Travis Scott, thank you for the rose. Woo! Billy, thank you for the corn. Woo! I got Rick and corn. Woo! Handicap Rip, what's up? Woo! I earned a free pizza from Domino's, so I streamed it. I decided to stream it. Thomas Finger Rose. I'm believing in the roses. Woo! Be alright. Nice. Thomas, thank you for the rose. Woo! Oh, no, you're not doing that. You're not doing that. You're not parking next to me. Okay. B, think of the finger hearts. Woo! I'm in a lot of spaces here. Woo! Jesse, what's up? Thomas and the Roses. It's the New Yorker pizza, I guess. Woo! I wasn't planning on doing this. I just, you know. Handicap Rick, thank you for the chili. Woo! Maddox, Lenny, what's going on? Malachi, think of the hat and mustache. Varvar, think of the lightning. Woo! I should let it cool off a little bit. Malachi, thank you. Woo! Malachi. Ashton, think of the rose. Going on, radio guy, Andrew, Brand Labs, Ashton. Maddox, think of the chilies. Amore, think of the rose. Woo! Ashton, think of finger heart. Malachi, think of the roses. Woo! Maddox, think of the ice cream. Maddox, think of the ice cream. Woo! Dean, think of the rose. Woo! Wise man, think of Tiny Tiny. Dean, think of the rose. Woo! Max, think of the corn. Woo! All purple, what's going on? I don't know if these people over here, what they're doing. Some people just, I don't even know. They're just there. I thought they were staring at me. Dumb thing with a high bear. Woo! I'm paranoid. Paranoid. Nah, I'm good. Ashton, take of the rose. I'm thinking of the chilies. Woo! Ashton, take of the rose. Ashton, thank you for the rose. Anthony, thank you for the rose. JP, thank you for the rose. Yeah, that kind of fell apart. Hi, Millsy, Tyre, Korea, Elizabeth, and Trophy. What's up? Dustin, thank you for the rose. Oh, man. Mark, thank you for the lightning. Woo! Reese Boy, thank you for the rose. Woo! Is this guy fucking... I don't know if this guy's like... I don't know. I can't tell if he waved at me. I can't see him. Because the lights are... Yeah, there's people over here, and I'm just kind of eating this entire pizza. And the lights are on me. Everyone can see me. Your name, thank the corn. Woo! Ashton, thank you for the rose. Hey! Duck, thanks for subscribing. Well, Deuce, thanks for subscribing. Woo! Just make it up. Thank you for the chilies. Woo! Oh, this guy's standing in the rain. This guy's standing in the rain over there. Standing in the rain like it's nothing. It ain't nothing. Hey, thanks, man. Hey, thanks for subscribing. Woo! Cat thing that heart me. Woo! Thanks for subscribing. I mean, I wasn't really planning on eating an entire pizza tonight. Hey, Captain Toast, Entropy, Anthony, thank you for subscribing. Woo! Okay, bro. Woo! Thanks for subscribing, man. Heck, thank you for Tiny Dining. Woo! Just standing in the rain. After thinking of the harmony. Heck, thank you for the fire. Thanks for subscribing. Wiseout, thank you for the Harvey. Concept, thank you for the roses. Wiseout, thank you for the roses. Heck, thank you for the fire. Ashton, thank you for the rose. Heck, thank you for the fire. I might as well just eat the whole thing then. Even though there's this guy over here standing here in the rain, all weird. He's just standing there in the rain, man. Like, literally just, it's raining. He just doesn't even have a coat on. Really know. Woo! Whatever. Oh, that's a big piece. Woo! Thanks for subscribing. Woo! Yeah, that was a lot of subscriptions, man. Thank you. Ugh. Woo! Might as well just eat the whole thing. Might as well. Randy, what's up? Zootroy? Man, some people just don't care about the rain. Now kind of in the rose. I'm always like, I can't get wet. Can't get wet. Woo! I as well finish the entire. It's a large New Yorker's pizza from Domino's. Might as well eat all of it. Came this far. Woo! That's a pretty big piece. Jordan, take the rose. Woo! Okay, last piece in the large New Yorker pizza. Jordan, take the rose. Woo! Large New Yorker pizza. Eating the entire thing. Because I'm hungry. Hey, Aldo, take the rose. Woo! Mike, thing with the corn. I don't take the rose. Woo! Almost done. Pretty good though. Mine's out in the chili. Woo! Woo! Why not? There you eat. Why don't they the hard puff? Mr. Strange Loving Lighting. Almost done eating entire New York style, large New York style from Domino's. Why don't they the hard puff? Booster thing with Rose. Mike thing with Lightning. Bambi thing with Lamb. Easy. Mike thing with the fire. Woo! Let's eat that whole pizza. Alright. Here we go. First thing in the roses. Woo! Guys, thank you for all the subscription. Captain Toast, thank you for subscribing. Guys, thank you for all the gifted subscription. Thank you so much. Woo! I just ate an entire New Yorker pizza large. I got it free. I wasn't trying to do this tonight. I wasn't trying to do it either. I just got it free, so I was like, well, just stream it. And then I ate the whole thing. I wasn't trying to eat the whole thing, but I did. For you. Nah, it was good. I did it for me. I ate that pizza for me. I needed that protein. Captain Toast, Daddy, what's going on? Oh, I'm stuffed. Oh, someone's getting curious. No, I'm just paranoid. I'm always paranoid when I'm streaming in my car, guys. I don't know what's going on. You know, people around me. Racing Kane, GG, joining the rows. Paranoid. No, I'm good. I'm just, you know. Logan in the rose. Kane in the GG. Jerry in the rose. Woo! Kane! Oh, man. I'm so full. Donna G in the rose. You guys might not see that for a while. Just saying. I'd do that for a long time. Oh, I can't believe I just ate that full pizza, dude. I was not trying to do that, but I did it. So it's like, might as well. I haven't streamed in my car in a while. Pretty nice out. Oh, man. Why's that? What's up? Your name? Woo! I should do a walk stream. That's pretty dark. Eric, what's up? Laura, what's up? Just ate that full piece. Man. I was like, man, I'm going to go on there and eat half. And then I was on the stream and I'm like, oh, just eat it. Well, it was good. Back to fasting. Aiden, what's up? I'm so stuffed now, I can't even think. That was a lot of food. Free pizza got me. Free pizza. How much is that pizza if you bought it? Like 14 bucks? Free pizza. I racked up a bunch of points. I didn't even know I had them, and then I bought some Domino's a couple weeks ago or something. Or no, that was like a week ago or something. A couple days ago. Your name, what's up? And then I just looked at it. And I'm like, oh wow. Free pizza. I was pretty much done for the night, you know? I was like thinking about what I'm doing next. Oh. I'll be posting that video right there. I'll be posting the video of me eating that full pizza. Oh, I'm so stuffed, guys. Oh, Peter, what's up? Noah, Milhow. I wasn't even trying to stream again either. I gotta be honest, I'm more comfortable in my house, man. I mean, being out here, I did a lot of streams in my car like this for like hours and hours. And I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I feel more comfortable in my house. It's raining. Feel more comfortable. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Just sitting in your car streaming for like 10 hours. It's like... I did it though for a while. Your name. I'll be posting this video though. Was not intentional. Man, I'm over here wanting to do so much stuff, dude. I want to do everything. I want to make music. I want to make a cartoon. I want to do this. I want to do that. You know? I think I am kind of like just chill mode. Like, You need a day off. I think it's too much. I was actually going to take a day off, too. It's kind of funny because I was like, man, you should take a day off. And I'm like, oh, I got a free pizza. I was like, okay, let's go get this pizza. And then I'm like, oh, just stream it. Okay, just eat half the pizza on the stream. Okay, I just ate the whole pizza. And now I'm streaming. Scotty, think of the music. Ooh. I was thinking about changing my profile picture, though. I kind of want to try to change my profile picture. I don't know. Make my page look, it'll make things look different. I'm already thinking about all sorts of stuff. Scotty, thanks. I was watching a bunch of crazy videos, but I do kind of need to relax. I don't know. I don't know, man. Yeah, I used to only stream in my car. Oh, whoa, mosquito or something. I better shut my windows. Jackie, thank you for the rose. That's not a mosquito. Look back one. I don't want to get bit, though. Oh, a Minotaur, thing the roses. Well, you guys know I started streaming in my car, and I didn't know if I could stream in my house. So I've been able to stream in my house and do a lot. But, Minotaur, thing the roses. Well, I mean, I started off streaming in my car. Because I do my videos in my car. You know what I'm saying? So I was only streaming in my car when I first started streaming on TikTok Live. And then I just... You know what I'm saying? Ugh. It's a lot of pizza, though. Oh. I kind of needed to, lay down or something. I'm not joking. I wasn't expecting to do that. I've been kind of fasting, too, man. I haven't been eating that much. So, just one thing led to another. I got a free pizza, so. Vince York, thinking of me. Woo! Yeah, that's how I get, bro. I want to do too much. That's what happens to me. So I need to calm down, keep it simple, and do make some good stuff and just decide what I need to do. Because I get like that. I get in this mode where I'm like, yeah, man, I want to do everything, but I'm like, so super inspired to do stuff that I just can't even do anything. It's funny. I get so inspired, and it's almost like I'm doing a burnout, and then I just I don't know. Or I guess the best way to say is yeah, I don't know. It's like you have the fuel. You have the you have the answer. I don't even really need a metaphor. Really, I don't know. So, think of a rose. You don't really need to be fancy and metaphor everything all the time. Tony, you think the ice cream, But I'm probably gonna get up out of here, guys. That's just what I was doing. Yeah. Honestly, I kind of regret that. It's a lot of pizza. I kind of regret it because it's a lot of pizza, and I'm trying to, not eat so much. I mean, I haven't been doing that many food videos. I would do a food video every couple days, So I've been trying to pace myself. But hey, you guys got the large pizza stream, so there you go. I'll be posting that video. Was not intentional. Might not happen for a long time. Just saying that was a very spontaneous thing. Sometimes it happens. But I'm probably gonna get up out of here, guys. I don't know, man. I'm just not comfortable streaming in my car. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I do videos in my car, which is cool, but I streamed in my car for a long time, and I was just not I got to the point where I was kind of sketched out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Not to say I'm paranoid, but I did have someone drive around my car before. They were they knew who I was, and so I was a little bit or something. I don't know. Someone was driving around my car intentionally, just trying to mess with me or something. That happened before. So, and then, I didn't really have anything happen other than that. It's probably going to be pretty chill. It is getting pretty late, though. I mean, there is a curfew for this parking lot, so I do have to move. But, yeah, I mean, just being out here, and you don't, want to do stuff, but it's you almost have to, I don't know. I guess I am paranoid. Yeah, a little bit. I don't know, man. I did have that happen to me, though. It did happen. This guy was going around my car and stuff. You know, he was driving around. He did it twice actually. So this guy, like, I don't know what he was doing. Like, he just seen me and he's like, what is this guy doing? I'm gonna go drive around his car. It's like that guy who kept on beeping his horn at McDonald's, you know. You know, I was making the video in front of the sign. And then this guy just, you know, just keeps honking his horn. Trying to mess with me, you know. But I'm just going to get up out of here, guys, honestly. Like, I don't know, man. Like, I haven't streamed in my car like this for a long time. I don't want to sit here for hours and hours, to be honest. I mean, if I'm in my house, it's cool. But I was pretty much just, like, doing that. That's all I was doing. It was just a pizza stream real quick. But I'm getting up out of here, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. Have to recover from this pizza eating. Well, when you have your lights on in your car like this, people do kind of tend to like I had one guy knock on my window once. He's like, or he drove up to me. He's like, what are you doing? You know, I'm like, I'm streaming. He's like, you shouldn't be doing that in a parking lot. Or he said something like that. And I was like, I'm streaming, bro. Like, some people just don't, like, I don't know, like, they think it's, like, abnormal or something. Guys, I'm gonna get up out of here, though. I'm gonna go home. I'll be back tomorrow, though. But, yeah, I was just doing a little pizza stream. Probably unnecessary, really. I do regret it. It's cool. I'll be alright. I've been doing pretty good, like, just, like, I have been kind of fasting, though, just, like, not eating much, because I'm trying to, you know, take control. Well, I am taking control, but I'm just, like, trying to get a little bit real here, because I'm not trying to go out of hand, you know? I'm not letting things get out of hand, for sure. I mean, I'm not even doing that many food videos, so I'm just like, well, and I haven't, you know, eaten any, like, I don't really eat any sugar. I mean, I've been eating Dairy Queen Blizzards for those videos. That's about it. Like, you know, I would probably rather eat something else for sugar, but I usually, if I'm really being strict with myself, I won't even eat that much. I'll eat like a candy bar a week or something, you know, if I really want to just, you know, because, you know, I've been through this stuff. I've been through it a million times, you know, the whole, you know, overeating stuff, you know, I've been through it, man. So, I know how to just tap out if I need to. Just be like, hey, I'm just gonna, like, fast and lose weight, because I have to, you know. I can do it. I've done it. I'm doing it right now, actually. I did lose weight. But yeah, just ate a full pizza, so, you know. But yeah, dude, I'm just trying to chill over here, man. Things have been pretty crazy lately. I'm trying to make new stuff, and I think I just need to relax, bro, because it's, man, I've had some videos just get a lot of views on YouTube and Instagram too, guys. Kind of, you know, when that stuff happens to you, you know, it kind of, I don't know, like, people take it different ways. You know, like it can, you just have to be chill about it. But guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. Have a good night, and I'll be back tomorrow, probably, even though I should take a day off. Joseph, Mackenzie, Ricky, Bobby, Seco, WC. I'll see you later. Hey, have a good night. Thanks. See you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for all the subscriptions. Woo! Thanks. I'll see you later.